Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is grade 3rd math. In today's video, let us revise chapter 6 division. Okay, so we are doing PA2 revision. Okay, so this is recap exercise. First bit, complete the following. First question, 6 into 3 equals to 18. Okay, 6 into 3 equals to 18. So 18 divided by 6 equals to dash. 18 divided by 6 equals to dash. So again we have to divide. 18 divided by 6 equals to dash. 18 divided by 6 equals to dash. So 6 3s are 18. So 18 minus 18, 0. So 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. So like this you have to divide and you have to write the answer. Okay, so 18 divided by 6 equals to 3 and 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. 3 6 are 18 and this is P. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. So 45 divided by 9 equals to dash. Okay, so how we did for 18 divided by 6? Similarly, we have to do 45 divided by 9 equals to dash. So 45 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 minus 45, 0. Okay, so 45 divided by 9. So 9 5s are 45. 45 minus 45, 0. So answer is 5. So 45 divided by 9 equals to 5. And 45 divided by 5 equals to dash. Okay, same. 5 9s are 45. So 45 divided by 5 equals to 9. Okay, so this is the first bit of recap exercise we have completed. Let us move to the second bit. Solve and write the quotient for each of the following. First one, 18 divided by 2 equals to dash. Okay, so same, 18 divided by 2 equals to dash. 18 divided by 2 equals to dash. Again, so we have to do the division here. So 2 9s are 18. 18 minus 18, 0. So answer is 9. Okay, so 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. Similarly, B. 27 divided by 9 equals to dash. 27 divided by 9 equals to dash. So 9 3s are 27. So in this dash 3 will come. Same we have to do the division how we did for first one. So we have to solve and we have to write the quotient. 27 divided by 9 equals to dash. So 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 27, 0. So 3 is quotient. So we have to write here the quotient. So 3 is quotient. Okay. One more thing. This 9 is divisor, this 27 is dividend, and this 3 is quotient, and this 0 is remainder. Remember this thing. Okay. Remaining you practice in your classwork. Let us move to the exercise 6.1. We have completed recap exercise. Page number 88. Exercise 6.1. First bit, the dividend, divisor and quotient are given for each of the following. Write the division fact. Okay, so this is dividend, divisor, quotient. Okay, so here dividend is 80, divisor is 10, quotient is 8. So we have to write the division fact. Okay, so how we have to write the division fact? So division fact. 80 divided by 10 equals to 8. 80 divided by 10 equals to 8. So 8 is dividend, 10 is divisor, and 8 quotient. Okay, so here we have to solve like this. If you are not understanding, 80 divided by 10. 10 8s are 80. 80 minus 80, 0. So here our remainder is 0. Quotient is 8. 80 is dividend and 10 is divisor. Okay, so like this you have to write the division fact. Remaining you practice it. It's very simple. Second bit. Write the division fact in the box given below for each of the following. First one, 32 minus 8, 24. 24 minus 8, 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Okay, so this is the division fact. B. 42 minus 6, 36. 36 minus 6, 30. 30 minus 6, 24. 24 minus 6, 18. 18 minus 6, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So what we have to write here? So here we have completed 32 divided by 8 equals to 4. Because 8 fours are 32. So here in this box you have to write division fact. 32 divided by 8 equals to 4. Okay. Next, 42 divided by 6 equals to 7. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Similarly, you do C problem. Okay. Similarly, third bit. Solve the following by repeated subtraction in your exercise book. First one, 32 divided by 4. So 32 divided by 4. So we have to do repeated subtraction. 32 minus 4, 28. 28 minus 4, 24. 24 minus 4, 20. 20 minus 4, 16. 16 minus 4, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, so 32 divided by 4 equals to 8. Okay, so we can subtract 4 from 32 8 times. So there are 8 4 in 32. How many times we are subtracting? 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is the third bit. Okay, with this I end this class. In the next class I will be doing the continuation of the revision part. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you.